Hello everyone, or welcome back to my channel. My name is anoushadn and today I'm going to do a lip swatch video. These are my favorite videos to do, and I got all of the Catrice Generation Matte Comfortable Liquid Lipsticks. I got all shades, and with no further ado, let's just get started with this video. But I just want to announce the giveaway because we hit 500 subscribers! Yes, I'm so happy! Thank you so much! I want to do the giveaway because I really appreciate your support. Now, I'm not going to show everything because I just want to tease you a little bit, but you get this whole bag full of goodies. And this is a BO bag you can use for travel or something. So I got a few makeup brushes in here. I got the BO peel off mask, the pink one. I tried. Oh, I really want to know if you are going to like that. Eyelashes in here, and also some lip stuff. So, and also this one. So I'm not going to show you everything, but you can win all this. So good luck to everyone. And thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.